welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Gracie Laine, and today we're going to be unboxing this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are my custom airmax 90s. So for my birthday, which was about a month ago, my friends Katie, Landon, and Haley all gave me some gift cards, and along with my parents gave me some money so I could buy a new pair of shoes, and I decided to customize some Nike Air Max 90s, and I'm so excited to open this. And also, I'm going to be showing y'all some outfits to go with it, because what's a pair of shoes without a good outfit to go with it? If you have shoes and your outfit doesn't match, the shoes look bad. So yeah, here's the box. It looks great, and here's some nice ASMR. Here's the box, and you might be wondering why it looks already open. Well, let me tell you, I already opened them because I couldn't wait to set up the camera and like show. So I've already opened it, but like we're gonna open it again to give like the whole unboxing aspect. So, oh my goodness, it opens so easily. So the first thing you see is like, there's like a little thing, and it says your name. It says like Nike by, and then like the name. And yeah, so here's the box. Oh my gosh. So it says, can't even see it. It says Nike by you, and it's really cute packaging. And I love how it says that, because it's literally like you made it yourself. So here's the box. Katie, Landon, and Haley, if you guys are watching this, thank you so much. And also my parents, thank you for giving me the money to buy these, because I'm so excited. And so anyway, here's the box again. We're gonna open it. Ooh. Oh, it slides out like a drawer, okay. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, it's literally like a drawer, so it won't come out anymore. But like, here's the shoes, and the packaging says.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Here are the shoes. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, so I picked the colors and where they go, and then also I wrote like my name on the tongues, but like probably shouldn't show that, but that's what the shoes look like. And I really like how these look. They're so cool. And oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh. I wear a size 11, by the way, if these look really big. So yeah, my feet are huge.
You think your life is hard?
But these are the shoes. And now, obviously, I'm gonna go try them on and show you guys. So let's go outside. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, they're so good. Ah! Okay, so I know you guys already saw me out here with the socks on, but now I'm gonna put on the shoes. So here's the shoes. I really like them. I think they're really cute, and they're really like comfy. It's like bouncy. The little air bubble thingy makes it really bouncy. So that's the shoes, and yeah. Now y'all have seen the shoes, and I've gotten to try them on, and I think they're really cute. I really like them, and they're very like bouncy. It's like walking kind of on a cushion. Like, I get why they call it Air Max, because it feels different than a shoe without like the bubble in it, definitely. So you've seen it in like a dressed up outfit, like a more dressed up outfit, but obviously since they're Nikes, you can wear them in more of a casual way. So now we're gonna look at some outfits and do a little fashion show of how you can wear these as like casual or dress them up a little bit more. So this here is our first outfit. We started off with a too short pair of jeans, and obviously there's the Nike shoes looking real cute. And I paired it with a black t-shirt. It's just a plain t-shirt, and then I'm gonna be wearing the same jewelry the whole time. So that's outfit 1. Here's outfit 2. It's like if you're going for a sleepover, same thing, just with plaid and a mask. Now here is outfit number 3. It's more of a casual, kind of athletic outfit. It's the same shirt, but now we've got some black leggings, and then there's a puffer jacket to make you look strong. So the thing I like about these shoes is you can dress them up or dress them down depending on the outfit you're trying to go for. And so I've done some casual outfits and some even more casual outfits like this one. So yeah. Stop, you're gross. Here's some more outfits. Stop shaking it. So this is our fourth outfit. It's a long pair of jeans and then a crop top to go with it. Same jewelry, and then the shoes just really do the outfit justice, if I do say so myself. I think it just really pulls the outfit together by having the white in the top and the bottom, and even though there's no gray, it still works. So my cameraman's not really cooperating anymore in helping me film this video. He's not helping me. So, I think that's all the outfits I'm going to be showing to go with the shoes, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea that these... Stop! Stop, Jaden!
I love you, want to be mad at you.
I'm not mad at you. Okay, so dude. So basically, that's... Stop! So, thanks for watching, and yeah, that's what I like these shoes. Thank you for the shoes. If you want to buy these shoes, I would definitely recommend because you can wear them with lots of different outfits. And yeah, thank you. Bye. Oh no, Jaden! Stop! No. And thank you for watching. Bye.